So one of the extensions that you can utilize in Gemini is the Google Maps extension. So to access it, you need to go around under settings right here and then onto extensions. And by default, you can see that Google Map is actually enabled right here. So you can see that find something nearby is an option right here. So if I were to go around over here, and you can see that it's a Somi grocery store close to the entrance of Grand Teton National Park and give me ideas for good snacks to bring in hiking. So I can go around and submit this out right here, and it immediately uses Google Maps as the plugin right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And it even gives you the Google Map location, as you can see right here. So I can also go around and say, give me the location to, let's say, a Panorama Hotel in Yangon, let's say, for example, right here. So once I go around and do that, then what happens is that it simply goes around and utilizes Google Maps and gives me the information regarding the particular hotel, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize Google Maps plugin right here. And if I were to go around and turn that off right here, let's say for example, and I'm going to go around and say, give me the location for a nearest coffee shop right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, just like this, then what happens is that it does not utilize the Google Map right here, but it simply goes around and gives the general information only, as you can see right here. So that is how you can utilize the Google Maps extension inside of Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.